Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix an unexpected error occurs on Facebook app on iPhone. So first, if this error occurs, create a new account temporarily. Instead of logging in with your existing account, try tapping on create new account. Fill in the required details using the same email ID and password and create a new account. This might resolve the login issue for some users. Second step, offload and reinstall Facebook app. So go to settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, locate and tap on Facebook, tap on offload app. Then next go to App Store, search Facebook, tap on get and download it. This might also resolve your issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.